What's up, guys? It's your girl Chief Freeze. I'm about to drop 2 videos on y'all today. 2. One being this one, which is my hair update. The second one being my Freestyle Friday, so be on the lookout for that one. Make sure you are watching. So, Monday will be 2 weeks since I cut my hair. You guys remember seeing the video. So, I told you guys that I was thinking about getting waves on the side, so that's what I did. So we're gonna take this off and see what I'm working with. I don't know how my hair is looking right in here. I know I retwisted like 2 days ago, so hopefully it's still looking good, but I've been wrapped up or whatever the fuck you want to call it. I've been doing that, so let's see. So like I said, it's only been almost 2 weeks. Monday will make 2 weeks since I cut my hair. I still haven't gotten a retwist. I mean, not retwist. Shit, I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about now. I'm out here saying anything. I haven't gotten a lineup yet. Because like I said, I'm trying to grow this back out so I can get it even when I do get the lineup. Because with the dreads, you know, I had this side, the sides or whatever, cut down. So now that I don't have that anymore, I am waiting patiently for my hair to fill back in, and I know that's gonna take a couple weeks, which, I mean, you know, my hair is growing pretty fast, but just a few weeks just to make sure that my lineup is crispy. I'm currently using a medium brush. For those of you who just want to know what kind of brush I'm using, I don't know who this is by. Red by Kisses. It's not a curved brush, it's flat, but something you can hold in your hands. Just do a little quick session. I'm satisfied. They're coming in nicely. It's not all the way there yet. I don't have, you know, ropes or any good connections yet, but yeah, something better than nothing. You see the little dip that I was talking about when I cut it? Yeah, dips are out here, they real. I spend about, do I want to say, I spend about an hour and a half to 2 hours a day brushing my hair. As I mean, you ain't gonna get the waves. You ain't gonna get no waves that's popping if you ain't putting in the work. Let's just make it simple. Let's be real. Your waves ain't gonna be out here showing out if you brushing for 5 minutes a day. If you ain't got the rag on, if you're not wrapping up, if you're not, you know, taking care of your hair, you gotta do that. You gotta take care of your shit. So, I try to. I think that this side over here, I was thinking would be my weak side, but shit, started to look pretty good. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if it's clear enough, but yeah, if you can, hit that thumbs up button. I use my medium brush, and then I got a hard, soft brush. I use the hard side only when I'm getting ready to wash my hair. I wash my hair twice a week, and this comb is probably dirty. I'm apologizing, you guys. I comb it first, which I don't have a lot of hair yet, but I comb it out, brush it with the hard brush, wash it. While I'm in the shower washing my hair, I use the medium brush to brush as I brush the shampoo into my hair. When I get out, I brush it with the medium again, and then when I put the product on, after I put the products on, I brush it with the soft, and I put the wrap on so that it lays down or whatever. But, you know, I ain't trying to steal the wave game from nobody or nothing like that. I'm not in competition with anybody competing for it. But I had a goal. My point was to cut all of it off so that I could have waves all over. But you know, I want to keep top. But I still wanted the waves, so I did both. I try to take my time with brushing. I get impatient sometimes and I start doing really, really fast brushing, but that's not doing anything. That's not helping me, so. Let me get this session going. I'll be right back. Before I go to work or go out in public or whatever, I use the woman-owned pomade, Ken Pave's You Are Beautiful pomade. Looks like this on the inside. See, I've been using it. That's only when I'm going out in public, just to hold it down. When I know I can't wear my wrap or my rag or whatever, you'll need something to hold it down, so I use my pomade. But when I'm washing my hair, I wash it with regular shampoo, regular conditioner. When I get out, I use my leave-in cream conditioner by Cantu. I don't brush it after that. I just put it in, flatten it down on my hair, my hands, sorry. And then I go straight into the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, which I put this in, brush it down with my hands, then I go with my medium brush. I go with my soft brush and I brush it down into my hair, make sure it's all even and all that. Then I wrap it up. Because I still have the locks on top and you don't want those to be dry as hell while the rest of your hair is very moisturized, I use Jamaican black castor oil in between and sometimes in the actual grooves of the locks. Just to make sure my hair is moisturized. Trying to make sure that all of my hair looks good. But for right now, I'm probably gonna lay back down, so I'm going to use the Curl Enhancing Smoothie so you guys can see what that looks like. Let me get this hair together real quick. This is what I mean by pushing it down with my hands, just making sure that everything lays. Like I said, I don't have ropes yet. I ain't that wavy. These are just ripples, but I'm out here. I'm putting in that work. So I use about that much. Put it in there. Yeah. Make sure it's all over, guys. Get that out my locks in a little bit. And then, like I said, I'm gonna close this back up, put it back where it was, and go in with my soft brush. All right, so before you wrap it up, before you put the actual wrap on there or the do-rag or whatever you got, make sure you take your hands and smooth that bit there. That bit smooth. because I see so many people actually do it, I'm gonna just go ahead and say I am not using the kit. There was no need for me to use a kit. I just brush. That's all you need, is that hard work and that consistency. All right. I don't know if I'm in there now. I need to get a close up for you guys. Alright. So, like I said, you guys, that's all I do. I'm gonna put some of this around the edges right here. We don't want this to get dry because that's what people see as well. And then maybe just along the sides and in between the parts or whatever. But I'm not gonna leave it on camera because that has nothing to do with this video. I'm gonna try to keep you guys up with an update every 2 weeks on what my waves are looking like, what my hair is looking like, if I decide to cut it off, whatever. But for now, that's all I got. This is a satin wrap, head wrap. I use this, and this is I think polyester or some bullshit, but it's only for the compression. I never put this directly on my hair first. You always want to put your silk or your satin on your hair first, and then if you do double compression, make sure you got something for double compression. It doesn't matter what the double compression is, it matters what's on your hair first. So that's it. Make sure you tap that thumbs up button for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Deuces.